Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Computer Class 4, Chapter 4, Formatting a Document, Part 4. Dear children, today in this session, we are going to go through the topics given on page number 39 and 40. But before going for setting the paragraph spacing option, I would like to explain how spacing works. Spacing is like how much space you want between each line and each paragraph. This will help you when you are writing a very long document, or if you had to set the specific format of the document. So similarly as line spacing that we have studied earlier, we have to do the paragraph spacing also. In line spacing, we selected the text that we have to format, and then go to Home tab, click the line and the paragraph spacing command. There a drop down menu will appear. Then you have to move over the various options that is shown on your screen also, and then select the option that you want, and the line spacing will change in the document when you click on OK. Now the paragraph spacing. The paragraph spacing is the amount of space above or below a paragraph. So, for changing the setting paragraph, you have to follow the steps. Select the paragraph before or after which you want to change the paragraph spacing of and click on the paragraph dialog box launcher, which has an arrow key button on the lower side of the Home tab. The paragraph dialog box will open. Select the indent and spacing tab. Enter the required amount of space before and after spin boxes under the spacing section and click on OK. Now, here is a small tip, dear students. If you need to set more precise spacing measurement, click the line and paragraph spacing in the paragraph under the Home tab and select the spacing option from the drop down menu. The paragraph dialog box will appear, and select any specified value for the line spacing and paragraph spacing. Now, the next topic is creating bulleted or number list. For formatting a list in a document by using bullets and numbers, you have to do the following. But what is a bullet? A bullet is a small graphic symbol that sets off an item in a list. If you need to apply bullet to the text or any specific list to the following, you have to do the following steps then. Select the text of which you want as a list. Click on bullets button given in the paragraph group on the Home tab and select the style bullet you want of your choice as given on figure number 4.9. Select the style of bullets you want of your choice, and you will find that the selected text is bulleted and the indent are automatically adjusted to separate the text from the bullets. Likewise, you can also apply a numbered list to the text. You can also go to menu option, then click on format, and there you will find bullets and numbering option. Dear children, on the screen I have displayed over here, you can find bullet option and numbering option by clicking on home tab also. Okay, try to do this at home, and rest of the points we will discuss in the next session. In case any queries related to the topics are there, you can note it down and we will go through those queries in Zoom classes. I'll clear all your doubts in Zoom classes also, as well as in the upcoming sessions. Okay, stay fit, stay well. Thank you.